What is it we do when we do a spring startup? I'm tracking around with Eric here today. He's doing a spring startup and we're doing a lot of different things to make the system work better. As you notice, he's observing each individual sprinkler head. He's looking for a couple things as he's looking at it. Number one, he's looking, is it leaking somewhere? It needs to be fixed. He's also looking, is it covering the proper area? Are we watering the grass and not the sidewalk or the driveway? So we want to make sure we're using the water efficiently. Another thing he's doing when he's walking between sprinkler heads, he's actually looking at the ground, looking for leaks, areas in that zone that water might be popping or bubbling up out of the ground that you don't normally notice except for when the system's running. So we're getting a hands-on experience. As you can see, it is it's a job you can get wet doing. It's a windy day today and the water is blowing all over the place, which also makes it harder to adjust. But Eric has the techniques to know how to look down that stream of water and make sure it's hitting the proper area for you. Some of the other things he did before I started following him around is he hooked up the backflow preventer to the house and energized the pipe. So when he did that, he turned on the water slowly and let the air evacuate from the pipes. And then he's going through and he's going to make sure this system runs real well. When he's all done, he'll go in and set up the controller to make sure it's programmed properly to keep your lawn lush and green. And at his phone while he's working, is he texting people? Is he not paying attention to his job? No, that's not the case at all. He's actually working with a smart controller, and from his phone, he's able to control that controller and turn on a different zone. So as he's finished with one zone, he can forward it to the next zone. So he's not playing around. He's actually working while he's using his phone.